This tutorial provides effective methods to fix pace spikes in Roblox, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. If you're experiencing lag or connectivity issues while playing, follow these steps to reduce your ping significantly. So let's get started. So first, open the Roblox Player app. After you locate the Roblox Player app, right-click the app to open the menu. The menu appears. While we're in the menu, click on the Open File location to locate where the Roblox player is. Now that we're in the location of the Roblox player, right-click the Roblox player beta to open the menu. The menu appears. While we're in the menu, click the Properties tab so that we can proceed. While we're in the Properties tab, click on the Digital Signature tab. While we're in the Digital Signature tab, click the Roblox Corporation because it is only available as you can see on the screen. After that, click on the Detail button so that we can proceed. While we are in the Digital Signature detail, click on the View Certificate button. While we're in the Certificate tab, click on the Install Certificate button. A new tab appears. Just click the Next button so that we can proceed. From here, just click the Next button again so that we can proceed. For the final part, just click the Finish button. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce ping spikes and improve your overall gaming experience in Roblox. Regularly checking your internet connection and optimizing your settings can help maintain a stable connection. If issues persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider for assistance. Happy gaming!